What's up guys, this is Sharon Zakaria. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it has been super long talking to all of you beautiful people and I'm extremely sorry because I couldn't make too many videos, I couldn't do too many vlogs because of my super busy schedule at work and my other commitments elsewhere. So I'm finally back with a new video, with a new series, with a new set of vlogs to give you all an absolute treat because I'm riding. Today is the 31st of December 2018 and we are doing the Tat Run. So it's going to be two of us, that is me and my friend Akshay from the previous series of vlogs that's on Gokarna. So he's going to be joining me along with this Bullet 500, on his Bullet 500 rather. And me and my Himalayan. We are heading down south to Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So we're going to start off from Bengaluru today and head to Thanjavur. That is the first destination for the day. So it is 12 right now, 12 p.m. in the noon. And I'm waiting for Akshay. He's going to be here in a while. And I'm just going to go down and quickly get my luggage, loaded on the bike. So I'll see you down there. So we just got a Madiwala from Kormangla and we're at this petrol bunk which connects right at the highway at the NH towards Tamil Nadu. So you can see actually fueling up his bike there, and I've already fueled my bike early today along with the emission test being done for the motorcycle. It's been 2 years now and I didn't get the emission test. ಏನೇಳಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಕ್ಕ, ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಒಳಗಿದೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು. So she thought I was actually talking over the phone, so she was just a bit concerned and she came up to me telling me that I need to go out of the petrol bunk if I'm talking over the phone. So that's when I realized, that's when I told her and tried explaining things to her, saying that I'm not talking over the phone, I'm talking to the camera, I'm talking to my audience. So right now going over Silbo Junction towards Hosur. That is the border between Attibele and Tamil Nadu. It's Karnataka and Tamil Nadu's border. So we'll be taking the Electronic City flyover from here, which is one of the longest flyovers in the country, which stretches at about 9.5 to 10 kilometers. It's more of an expressway, and it does a fabulous job by cutting through traffic during peak hours. What on earth, man? Who are you honking at? Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Okay, thanks. No matter which part of the world you go, you can depend on all these. Now, I was just telling the people who are watching at home, he gave you also, right? You paid him? No. So I was telling the people who are watching right now, no matter which part of the world you go, you will find Malayalis. Because again also, I'm trying to talk to him in Kannada. He's like, and Tamil also, he's like, and then he spoke in mixture of Tamil and Malayalam. I'm like, Malayaliano. He's like, yeah. Then full push. He's like, 40 rupees. So guys, it is 5:02 p.m. right now, and actually me just reached my father's hometown, which is about 95 kilometers from Bangalore. We're just here at the outskirts. I'm just going to pay some respect and leave. So probably our next stop, our next destination is going to be Salem, and let's quickly hit the road. So we're heading towards Dharmapuri now to get back to the National Highway, and from there we're going to connect to Salem and then Namakkal, then towards Trichy and then to Thanjavur. We've still got a long way to go. Guys, we just stopped for chai after about 235 kilometers from Bangalore, and we're somewhere around Namakkal. So we still have how many kilometers to go?
146.
146 kilometers to go to Thanjavur, and this is our first tea break in the last 235 kilometers. I mean, you know, trust me, every sip of this feels absolutely wonderful, man. I just can't keep myself, you know, resist myself from taking a sip of it. Brilliant. Just what we needed at the moment. It's
8:15.
It's 8:15 right now, and we still have about 146 kilometers to go. So we expected to reach by around 10:30, 11. Let's see. So far, so good. The roads are beautiful. Less traffic, not too many trucks, not too many bikers, because you know everyone must have gone home and fallen asleep around these areas. Everything's going pretty well. So I'll see you all once we're done with this on the road. Sorry, huh? Put on. Sorry. Oh, huh? Okay, so it is 9:23 and we just left from Namakkal. So the last chai break in turn turned out to be a dinner break, because you know the restaurant guy said that you wouldn't find too many restaurants further up ahead until Trichy. So by the time we reach Trichy, it's going to be pretty late. So we just had like a couple of dosas here and thought if we would find something, you know, a little later, and if we felt hungry, we'll stop by to eat. For some reason my GoPro happened to get stuck. I've been trying to record as I'm riding, but it just wasn't happening. So Akshay and myself have just made it to Trichy. We're about 51 kilometers before Thanjavur, and Google Auntie is taking us through, like, you know, these small gullies. We don't know where we're heading to. Where's the left, man? Where's the left? There's no bloody left there, and Google shows there's a bloody left. This is right, I'm turning left. Google Auntie, I'm gonna belt the crap out of you now. So it's 11:46 PM and another 14 minutes for the New Year's, and you can see a cracker going up there like a rocket. The roads are filled with men who are drunk, and you can see squids on the bike there going triples. Finally, National Highway 67. Oh man, exactly 50 kilometers to go. Slight left, this is the left. So it is 12 AM, the 1st of January. We are about 30 kilometers before Thanjavur, and we just pulled over to wish each other a happy New Year. So Akshay is on the call, and I'm just getting a call. Hello. Hello. Happy New Year. It's 12. I'm done wishing Akshay, I'm done wishing my family, my parents, my brother, my sister-in-law. What more could you have, man? What more do you need? I am somewhere before Thanjavur on the highway, doing what I love doing, riding. And I'm spending my New Year's right here with my baby. I love what I'm doing, and I wish I could do more and more of this for the rest of the year. Damn. So guys, we've just reached the hotel and we're gonna quickly check in and get our luggage on top. I just want to go hit the bed, man. I swear. Okay, don't tell me we're locked outside the hotel. So we're locked outside the hotel. Okay, let's just figure this out and I'll see you all once we get into the rooms. So guys, we just entered our room and you won't believe how tired we are, and I can't begin to tell you all how good the ride was. From beautiful open roads to pain-stalking, gully roads that Google Maps took us through, and getting to see a truck toppled and so many different things. It was such a big experience, and we completed day one of our journey in a very, very good way. You can see Akshay fallen flat. It's completely drained out, so am I.
January 1, Happy New Year.
Oh yeah, Happy New Year. So this is our room for the night. Nothing much to it. You can see that everything is in one place. We got this place pretty cheap because we're just parking our asses here for a night. So everything said and done, it was a good day, it was a good ride. I hope you all enjoyed the vlog. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and share and hit the like button. And do follow me on Instagram to get more details and more updates about my whereabouts and when I'm going to upload my videos and when I'm going to upload new photos and for my upcoming travel plans and rides and everything as such. Do show your love, do show your support. As always, stay armored, stay protected, ride hard, ride safe. Good night.